Hello guys, here I am with another video on the car heating, ventilation and air conditioning system, also known as the HVAC system. And in this video I'm going to show you how to diagnose your HVAC system in case of a problem before you take your car to a mechanic or a service center. These checks can be done at home without any special equipment. So let us start with this car having a basic HVAC system layout. This is the fan switch. It has various positions from 1 to 4 depending on the model of the car. And this one is the ventilation switch. If you select it on this side, then the air being sucked from outside, and if you put this switch on this side, then the air inside the cabin of the car is being recirculated continuously. If you open your bonnet, you will find an opening here. So either on the driver's side or on the passenger side, this is the area from where the air is being sucked in when you run the car in ventilation mode. And for obvious reasons, you need to keep this area clean all the time. And when you run it in ventilation mode, the air from the cabin needs to go outside, for which a ventilation is given inside the trunk of the car, as you can see here in this picture. So basically it has a rubber flap which allows the air to go out, and at the same time not allowing the air to come inside. This rubber seal here plays an important role. When you close the bonnet, it comes in contact with this edge of the bonnet, and thus making an airtight seal and not allowing the hot air as well as fumes from the engine compartment to get inside the cabin of the car through this hole when you run the car in ventilation mode. So when you switch on this fan or your blower, if no air is being blown through these vents, then the most probable reason of this is the fuse. The fuse is blown. So first of all, you must check the fuse. The fuse is generally below the steering column, or it is below the glove box. If this fan is working at some positions, or for example is working at number 2 and is not working at number 3, then there is a resistance or a resistor behind this switch, so that resistor is faulty, so you need to replace that resistor. If the fuse is okay, then either this fan switch or the fan itself is faulty, so you need to take your car to the mechanic to get these things checked up. Behind this dashboard, there is a heating coil and a cooling coil. Presently, the cooling is being selected here. It is being kept at blue, and in some of the modern cars, you will have a digital display where it shows the actual temperature which is being set. And when I turn this knob all the way to the right, the heating position is selected. In this case, a vent is open in the engine compartment, and the hot coolant is fed into the heating coil, and as we switch on the fan here, it blows over the heating coil, and you will have warm air coming out from the AC vents. And if no warm air is coming out, then you need to check operation of this valve. Now coming to the AC, you switch on this fan, select this thermostat switch to the cooling position, and you turn on the AC switch. Then you should be having cold air blowing through these AC vents. If the AC is not functioning, first of all you need to check two things. The first one is the AC compressor clutch, and the second one is the condenser fan. For a clutch type AC compressor, when I press this AC switch, it does two things. One is it engages the clutch of the AC compressor, and the second one is it switches on the fan of the AC condenser. When I switch on the AC, you will see the compressor clutch is getting engaged, and when I switch on again, you will see the clutch is getting disengaged. If this clutch is not getting engaged, then the clutch is defective, and you need to replace the electrical coil of this AC clutch. Also, you need to check the fuse as well as the thermostat switch. When you switch on the AC, this condenser fan must be running, and in case this fan is not running, then probably the fuse is blown. You must check the fuse, or the thermostat switch is faulty, or the fan itself is faulty. So you must take your car to the electrician to get these things checked up. If the AC clutch is getting engaged and the condenser fans are running and still you are not getting any cold air, then the most probable reason is you do not have any refrigerant inside your AC system. And you need to take your car to the AC mechanic to get it fixed. That's all as of now. I think I have given adequate information on how to diagnose your car's HVAC system yourself before you take your car to the mechanic. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching.